Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, welcome to our video presentations. We are from group 2. My name is Ridwan and my friend in our group is
My name is Ahmad Fadli. You can call me Fadli.
My name is Gusman.
today. We will be presenting the material about quartiles and deciles. So, without further ado, I would like to invite the presenters to explain our materials.
Quartiles and Deciles. This presentation will discuss the concepts of quartiles and deciles. We will explore their definitions, formulas, and application, as well as understand how to calculate them. Definition of quartiles. Quartiles are values that divide data into four equal parts after the data is sorted from smallest to large. There are three main quartiles. First quartile 1, separates the lowest 25% of data. Second quartile 2, the median divides data into two equal halves. The quartile 3, separates the lowest 75% of data.
Okay, baik. Quartile formula for individual data. Quartile 1 equals data at positions quarter times n plus 1. For quartile 2 equals data at positions 1 over 2 times n plus 1. And then for quartile 3 equals data at position 3 over 4 times 9 times n plus 1. For group data, Qi equals L plus I times n over 4 minus F divided by F times P, in where Qi equals quartile 2i, L equals lower boundary of the quartile class, n equals total number of data, F equals cumulative frequency before the quartile class, F sama dengan F equals frequency of the quartile class, and then P equals class wide.
Definition of Deciles. Deciles are values that divide order data into the equal parts. There are 9 deciles. The 1 to the 9 is separation 9% of the data.
For the science formula for individual data, Gi equals I times n plus 1 divided by 10, where I equals 1 to 9. And for group data, Di equals L plus I times n over 10 minus f divided by f times c, in where L equals lower boundary of the decile class, for f equals cumulative frequency before decile class, and f equals frequency of the quartile or decile class. C equals class-wide, and then n equals total number of data. For the practice questions, the first for quartile, for individual data, in where for n equals 13 data points, position of quartile 1. So quartile 1 equals quarter times n plus 1 equals 1 times n plus 1 divided by 4 equals 3.5 between third and fourth data. The second, for group data, given the following group data, in where for interval 10 to 19 with the frequency is 5, and from 20 to 29 with the frequency is 10, from 30 to 39 with frequency 15, from 40 to 49 with the frequency 20, and then from 50 to 59 with the frequency is 5. For the solution step 1, total frequency or n, in where n equals 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 5 equals 55. 2. Possession of quartile 1. Quartile 1 equals quarter times n equals quarter times 55 equals 13.75. So quartile 1 is at the 13.75 data point. 3. Determine the quartile 1 class. For cumulative frequency, from 10 to 19 is 5, from 20 to 29 is 15, from 5 plus 10, from 30 to 39 equals 30, from 15 plus 15. So the 13.75 data points is in the 20 to 29 class. Or quartile formula for group data, Qi equals L plus I times N over 4 minus F divided by F times P, in where L equals low boundary of the quartile 1 class equals 19.5. F, or cumulative frequency before the quartile 1 class, equals 5, and for F, frequency of quartile 1 class equals 10. For P or class wide equals 10. 5. Substitute the values. Quartile 1 equals 19.5 plus 13.75 minus 5 divided by 10 times 10. Quartile 1 equals 19.5 plus 0.875 times 10. Quartile 1 equals 19.5 plus 8.75 equals 28.25. So quartile 1 equals 28.25. Practice questions for Decile. The first, for individual data, in where for n equals 10 data points, position of decile 5. So decile 5 equals 1 over 10 times n plus 1 equals 1 times n plus 1 divided by 10 equals 5.5 between 5 and 6 data. The second, for group data, given the following group data in where interval from 10 to 20 with frequency is 5, from 20 to 30 with frequency 8, from 30 to 40 with frequency 12, from 40 to 50 with frequency 10, and from 50 to 60 with frequency 5. Conclude the third decile. Solution step. First, or 1, total frequency or n, in where n equals 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 10 plus 5 equals 40. 2. Position of decile 3. So decile 3 equals 3 times n divided by 10 equals 3 times 40 equals 3 times 40 divided by 10 equals 12. So decile 3 is at the 12 data points. Determine the decile 3 class. For cumulative frequency from 10 to 20 with frequency 5, and from 20 to 30 with frequency 13, we from 5 plus 8. So the 12 data point is in the 20 to 30 class. For Deciles formula for group data, decile 3 equals L plus K times N over 10 minus F divided by F times I, in where L or lower boundary of the data of the decile 3 class equals 20, F or cumulative frequency before the decile 3 class equals 5, F or frequency of the decile 3 class equals 8, and then I or class wide equals 10. 5. Substitute the values. Decile 3 equals 20 plus 12 minus 5 over 8 times 10. Decile 3 equals 20 plus 0.875 times 10. And decile 3 equals 20 plus 8.75 equals 8.75. So decile 3 equals 28.75.
Application of quartile and decile in real life. Economics in relation to the distribution of income or wealth. Within coin economics inequality. Education evaluating student performance with decile group. Determining gradation standard and award. Health. Analyzing distribution of clean health score. Identifying high risk groups. Conclusion. Quartile and decile are positional measures in statistics that divide data in equal parts. The formula for quartile and decile differ the division quartile for decile 10. Both are very useful in data analysis to understand the distribution and position of data in four fields, such as education, economics, and health. Thank you.
Okay, so that concludes our group's presentation video. We hope it will be beneficial. Thank you so much and see you next time. Goodbye.